Let me show you how to create this beautiful updo style. Just pin away the crown hair and do a deep ponytail with the remaining hair. Flip this inwards and create some kind of net. This I pinned with 2 bobby pins in place. Now split the crown hair into 3 equal portions and do 3 ponytails. Each ponytail, here I'm starting on the right hand side, I'm flipping twice inwards. Now the middle and then the left hand side. Now pull the outer edges from these flip overs and make them wider. We are creating volume and structure. I'm bringing now over the left and opening over the middle and then the right hand one. Take those 3 ends together, turn them around and hide the ends in your net and pin everything in place. That's the final result. I hope you like this super easy updo style. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to try it.